Network diagrams, the precedence diagram method or PDM, it is a technique for graphically display the logic of the schedule by replacing the activities in boxes with arrow between them to show the precedence-assessor relationship. So the network diagram are the preferred technique for showing activity sequences, and it is a systematic display for the logical relation among or sequences of the project activities. Number 2 is a critical path and float. So the critical path is a path through the network that result in the latest completion date of the project. So the critical path, it is the most important to keep your project on track. Next is float. Float is sometimes called a slack. It is the amount of time an activity or network path or project can be delayed from the early start without changing the completion date of the project. Float, it is indicate the amount of time an activity can be delayed without delaying the start of successor activity or completion of the project. Next is a free float. It is the activity that are not on the critical path have a difference between their early start date and their late start date. Those activities can be delayed without affecting the project completion date. The float or those activity is called free float. Tracking and reporting progress. Tracking the result performs involves measuring the work performs against the work expecting to be performed with a given expenditure of resources. The last is managing schedule using milestone. So the milestone provide the opportunity of the project management to focus on the competing activities that will have a greatest impact of the schedule. So the milestones are the moment of the journey toward the project completion. So how to use a milestone in two ways in the project management. First is a project planning and team motivation.